Please get ready for a dictation of part 4 of a material taken from the Wikipedia on the Supreme Court of India, which can be suitable for DDC, PA skill and any other skill exam. 5 seconds. Start. Putting the old system of the collegium back, the court invited suggestions even from the general public on how to improve the collegium system broadly along the lines of setting up an eligibility criteria for appointments, a permanent secretariat to help the collegium sift through material on potential candidates, infusing more transparency into the selection process, grievance redressal, and any other suggestion not in these 4 categories, like transfer of judges. This resulted in the court asking the government and the collegium to finalize the memorandum of procedure incorporating the above. Once in 2009, the recommendation for the appointment of a judge of a high court made by the collegium of that court had come to be challenged in the Supreme Court. The court held that who could become a judge was a matter of fact and any person had a right to question it. But who should become a judge was a matter of opinion and could not be questioned. As long as an effective consultation took place within a collegium in arriving at that opinion, the content or material placed before it to form the opinion could not be called for scrutiny in court. Article 124(4) of the Constitution, President can remove a judge on proved misbehavior or incapacity when Parliament approves with a majority of the total membership of each House in favor of impeachment and not less than 2/3 of the members of each House present. For initiating impeachment proceedings against a judge, at least 50 members of Rajya Sabha or 100 members of Lok Sabha shall issue the notice per Judges Inquiry Act 1968. Then a judicial committee would be formed to frame charges against the judge, to conduct the fair trial and to submit its report to Parliament. When the Judicial Committee report finds the judge guilty of misbehavior or incapacity, further removal proceedings would be taken up by the Parliament if the judge is not resigning himself. The judge, upon proven guilty, is also liable for punishment per applicable laws or for contempt of the Constitution by breaching the oath under disrespecting Constitution. A person who has retired as a judge of the Supreme Court is debarred from practicing in any court of law or before any other authority in India. However, Supreme Court and High Court judges are appointed to various posts in tribunals and commissions after their retirement. Lawyer Ashish Goyal, in a recent article, criticized this, stating that post-retirement benefits for judges hampers judicial independence. Former law minister and senior advocate of the Supreme Court, Arun Jaitley, had criticized the appointment of judges in government after their retirement. Jaitley famously said There are 2/3 of judges, those who know the law and those who know the law minister. We are the only country in the world where judges appoint judges. Even though there is a retirement age, judges are not willing to retire. Pre-retirement judgments are influenced by post-retirement jobs. Article 137 of the Constitution of India lays down provision for the power of the Supreme Court to review its own judgments. Per this article, subject to the provisions of any law made by Parliament or any rules made under Article 145, the Supreme Court shall have power to review any judgment pronounced or order made by it. Stop.